Today we are installing the RolecConnect EVO single-phase 7.4 kilowatt charger at a domestic property. We will show you how simple the charger is to install and guide you step by step along the way. Start by opening the box and checking what's inside. Take a look at the installation manual to make sure you have the right tools and keep your RFID cards somewhere safe. You'll need them later. Remove the front cover by unscrewing the 2 screws at the bottom of the charger. Lift the front cover of the charger where you will find your accessories and fixing kits inside. Next, slide the module out from where it is clipped in. Find the best spot for the charger and use the built-in spirit level to make sure it is level. Use a pencil to mark the position, drill the holes, and insert the wall plugs. For rear entry, drill a hole for the cable to enter. Feed the supply cables into the charger via the chosen entry point and fix the casing to the wall using the screws provided. If you have chosen rear entry, trim the ceiling plug to match the cable's diameter and feed it into the selected entry. Secure the cables using the strain relief clip in the housing. Then insert the module until you hear it click into place. Lift the terminal cover and connect the power cables to the appropriate terminals using the connector blocks. For load balancing or Ethernet, connect the appropriate cable to the module's base. Attach the CT clamp to the live cable between the meter and consumer unit, ensuring the arrow points toward the consumer unit. Remove the protective sticker from the pogo pin on the charging module and place the front cover on the charging point, clipping it into place. Then, insert the 2 screws into the holes on the bottom of the charge point to complete the installation. If you wish to use solar, you will need to purchase the Solar CT clamp kit, which includes an RJ45 splitter, an RJ45 extension, and a Solar CT clamp. Insert the RJ45 network cable into the CT socket at the base of the module, then route the wire around and plug it into the splitter. Next, insert both the Solar CT connector and DLB CT connector into the splitter. Then, replace the front cover, clicking it into place and securing it with the 2 bottom screws. Attach the CT clamp to the line conductor between the fit meter and consumer unit, ensuring the arrow points toward the consumer unit. Open the RolecConnect app and select EVO from the device list, then scan the barcode on the side of the unit using your camera. When prompted, enter the 4-digit PIN from your instruction manual or the charge module to connect to the charger. On the specification screen, set the max output, grid type, main fuse, and circuit fuse details. Then tap Next Step. Next, you'll reach the back office selection screen. By default, the back office will be preset to RolecConnect EVO. If you wish to change it, open the drop-down menu, select your preferred back office, and the details will be auto-filled. Tap Next Step to continue. On the network setup page, choose Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or, on the 3-phase model, 4G. Enter the network credentials, check the signal strength, and tap Next Step to begin configuration. Once the setup is complete, you'll be prompted to test the connector. Make the necessary connections, then tap Start Test and wait for the process to finish. When the test is successful, a notification will appear in the app. Tap Finish Test. Your charge point is now fully configured.